this one, the farther you're away, the better off you are. Try not to miss anything. Kind of go up and down a little bit. Remember, we're trying to be about a minute long. I always stop and go up and I show the back of the wheel. Right down, get the bumper so it was in good shape. Now we gotta shorten it up a little bit because we're out of room. Pan up and down. I'm going to show a little bit of roof damage right now. Okay. Back to the door. And then we can go angle on this one to get a wide shot. Show that the front end is smashed. See, we're at a minute 12, so we're right where we want to be.